Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, also welcome. Thank you for joining in. Today we are going to be unboxing the March subscription of the Upboxes. And this is absolutely my most favorite box I get of the month. I love my Boxy, I love my Ipsy usually. But this one I always love. Like there's never a month that I don't love this one. I always love everything that's in it. It is a lifestyle box, Christian-based lifestyle box. It always comes with things like beauty products, lifestyle products, just a whole bunch of different category of products. Anything and everything can pretty much be in this box. You name it, it could be in it. It retails for around, I think, $30 a month or something like that. I'm not sure if they still have the 50% off code, but if they do, you can get it for 50% off using Upbox 50. Like I said, I don't know if they are still using that code or not, but it's worth a shot. Definitely worth it. Even if it is the $30 a month box, it is definitely worth it. So today I have my little girl sitting beside me. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to film this video and she don't want to go to bed. I'm not sure if you can see her or not, but she's right here beside me, and so she's going to be joining for this video. So if I get distracted, that's why. So without further ado, let's get into this box and let's see what we got for this month. I'm sure it's something amazing. I think this is the only box that I pretty much don't usually open. So whenever you first open this box, it's always beautiful. Beautifully packed on the inside. Here's what it kind of looks like. It always comes with the pretty paper. And this month it has this flag on the top of it. So let's just take a look at the flag and what it says. Be brave. So that is probably the theme for this month. Every month it goes by a theme, basically out of the Bible. They always pick a theme out of the Bible or a verse out of the Bible, and that's what they go by. So this month is Be Brave. And how adorable is this? A yard flag or porch flag or whatever. Just absolutely gorgeous. We've gotten one of these before and I just love them. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box. And how gorgeous is this right here? So this is what it looks like. It's got the little flowers on the inside. It's just beautifully packed. It's got the card on the top of there. And then it's got the little tiny rose flowers and the pretty glitter paper. So here is the box. Or here is the card for this month, Be Brave Upbox. It says Be Brave is our March mood. We are entering the third month of this year and we just want to remind you that you are brave. We have read your messages and they are so dear to us. We know many of you are facing significant challenges and transitions this year. Our hearts and prayers are with you as we face each and every one of them. More importantly, God is with you, steadfast and through him. You will not be shaken. Psalm 62:6 is a powerful voice. Play it on repeat as you work through and towards your goals. This Be Brave box is your monthly package of encouragement. Plus, ladies, we are encouraging you to take a minute or 60 daily and practice your version of soul and self-care. Take a bath, put on some luxurious bath and body goodness, eat a sweet snack in silence, meditate on his word, and just refill yourself. So it's always so encouraging and uplifting. These boxes, that's what I love about them. They are always filled with encouragement and they just uplift you and your mood and everything that they send. It just makes you happy. It just makes you happy. So I absolutely love them. And I am not shaken. Psalm 62:6. That's the verse for this month. So let's dig in and see what we got this month. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is Pin It Back. I am not shaken. Psalm 62:6. These are some little pins. Like hair pins is what those are. We also have some Office Pretties, which also have the thing on them. Some little clippies. How adorable. And you guys see my little girl. So sorry if she's looking a little rough. Are you looking rough? Yeah. Are you feeling rough too? Yeah. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to pull out is these little packets of Nescafe Toaster Choice House Blend coffee. Absolutely love my coffee, so I can always definitely use those. Let's see what we got here. Next thing I'm going to pull out, it says use the code Upbox30 to unlock your library of 1,000 plus guided journaling exercises. So they got journaling exercises there. Get back, sissy. Here's some cards. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Proverbs 3:5. These are just some little cards that usually come in the boxes each month to send out to somebody for encouragement, uplift them. Just a card to say thank you, I love you. So that's that. They also come with envelopes this month. Here's another one. Cling to what is good. Let's see. Oh my goodness, how cute are these? Office Pretties, some more Office Pretties. I'm not shaking some 62.6, some more little clippies. How adorable are those? So cute. Let's see. It looks like we got some bath salts. Epsom salt, Dead Sea salt, vitamin E, vanilla essential oil, and sweet orange essential oil. So these, I think, are some of their own products, I believe, because they started their own products, some of their own products. Oh my goodness, that smells amazing. It smells so good. And I needed these. I just ran out of bath salt, so I definitely needed that. Look at that, how cute. So cute. There's actually 2 of those, so here's another one. And this one is vanilla essential oil and sweet orange. I don't know if this is the same. Smells the same? No, this one smells different. It smells amazing. It's almost got like a minty. I'm trying to think what that. It smells almost like a Vicks. Like a Vicks bath salt is what that smells like. It smells good. The next thing that we have in this box is a candle wax. Yay. And that's also a mint frost. Love my candle waxes. Oh my gosh. Smells so good. And those are nice and soft. It smells so good. Love these. The next thing that I see in this box is Meijers. Some Meijers. Clean Day. Let's see. And I needed this. Is this a hand wash or is a dish liquid? Clean Day. It just says Clean Day. We make effective, trusted formulas, plant-based, derived ingredients, bottles. I'm not sure what. Oh, okay. Here we go. Aromatherapeutic household products, creating clean and happy homes since 2001. This is hand soap. So some Meijers hand soap in, I thought I see apple scent. So super nice. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. The next thing I see is a mood patch from Patchology, Downtime Calming Tea Infused Aromatherapy. Eye gel patches, these are super amazing. Love these. And gosh, this box is packed. Here is Live, Give, Smile. Every day you have the opportunity. Let's see, what is this? Sparkling Mimosa, Gourmet Gum, sugar-free, 12 pieces. How amazing. I've never seen those, but I can't wait to try some. We also have a little snack in here that I already know my little girl is going to want to take. This is also mint dark chocolate, so it kind of looks like this box is kind of mint based this month. We also have another card. So whatever you eat or drink or whatever you do, do it for the glory of God. 1 Corinthians 10:31. Look, I already knew she was going to reach for that. Go ahead. You can have it. You want it? Yeah. I already knew. How did Mommy know? Mommy's not going to get to take a picture with it now. You're not going to let Mommy take a picture with it, are you? I already knew you wouldn't. Yeah, candy. There you go. Eat that one. Okay. So, we are having one more card. Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. Psalm 46:10. Be still and know. And, oh, wait. We have more stuff. Wow. Okay, so we also have a Be Kind from the Lip Care Company Matcha Mint Organic Lip Balm. And then we also have these Stash Peppermint Caffeine Menthol Herbal Teas. Here is 4 herbal teas. This box is filled with goodies, ain't it, sissy? Sure is. And last but not least, we have this Smash Crispy Mint Chocolate Chip 6 treats, marshmallow rice treats. How amazing is this box? I mean, seriously, we get all these food goodies. We get candle waxes. We get bath salts. We get chapstick. We get chocolate. We get home goodies. We get office pretties. I mean, seriously, amazing, amazing, amazing box. Oh, and we get cleaning stuff too. So, I mean, it's just a mix of so much goodness. I love this box. My favorite. My favorite. Thank you guys so much at Upbox. I do want to mention this is a gifted box for review. So, it's actually a PR box that I review monthly. So, I just want to put that out there. But absolutely my most favorite box. Literally. Even if I had to pay for it, it's still my favorite box. So, hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys thought about this box down below. Did you guys like the goodies this month? And did you get your box for this month? Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button up above. Let's get to 500 subscribers so I can give you guys some goodies yourself. And let's get this giveaway started. So with that being said, thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.